Hey guys, I'm Jessica Harlow. Celebrities these days are taking their eyeshadow looks to all new heights. And you're gonna see what I mean in just a second. I'm gonna do the same thing, but much bolder. Let's get into it. So I'm just starting really light, kind of mapping out the overall shape. Just bring it right into your hairline. So I'm going over the brow, past the brow. And this is gonna look a little different on everybody just because of face shapes and all of that. I'm kind of like stippling a little bit and then also feathering. Same color, working that into the crease, into the sockets, and bringing it all down towards the lash line. This is so much fun. You can also bring that along your lower lash line. And then of course you want to cover up the rest of the lid. So then to add a bit more depth right in the socket, I'm going to go in with a little bit of black. That's the easiest way to just kind of intensify and darken things up. So then for the inner corners, I'm going to go in with a really light kind of ivory shimmery shade just to add some highlight. Get right around the tear duct. And then pick up the eyeshadow brush that you used, or the green, and blend that in. I'm gonna use some kind of like gold leafy flakes. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a clear lash glue, dip my finger into the gold, and pat it on over. Just gonna put a little bit of the lash glue right here, the inner corner. I'm gonna dip into the gold glitter again. So what I also wanna do is add a little bit of like a bronzy kind of eyeshadow right under the lower lash line. Since this is a very dramatic look, I'm gonna go for a very dramatic false lash. Tilting my head back and just placing right at my lash line. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a liquid eyeliner and I'm just gonna put a really thin line right at the inner corner just to kind of connect the fake lash and make more sense with the eye. So I'm going in with some mascara on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take a shimmery green shadow. I'm gonna place that right in the center of the eye right here. So that way when we blink, we'll catch the light. Just blend out the edge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hashtag cheek to cheek so that we can see your look.